You ready?
Okay, you do. Hello. You want to do science with my dad, and then you need to do like that.
Okay, we're gonna do science with Dad. So what do we have? What are we gonna do today, Emma? What do we have in our hands?
Okay, we got what's this?
It's rubbing alcohol.
What is that? The skin for feeling better.
Yeah, sometimes when we get hurt, we use this right here. But today, we're going to grab the bottle without stickers, clear, and we're gonna.
Well, it's sticky right here.
It is sticky because I took the sticker off. And I already did is I got the bottle cap and I put a little stem, a little bicycle air stem. You see? I plugged it in there and it's tight. Okay? I'm gonna close this in, but first we're gonna put a little bit of alcohol in here. We're gonna make it squish around just a little bit, and then we're gonna use this to put it under pressure. Sounds good?
Everything's got it.
And we're gonna make clouds.
I just want to do it like this, and then I gotta do like boop, and then boop, YouTube, and then I gotta take it out.
Okay.
But no make too many.
Yeah, exactly. We don't want to get hurt, right?
Uh-huh.
Come over here. Sit over here. Okay. Now you got it. Okay. Now we're gonna pour a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit. Okay.
Not a lot.
There you go. Not a lot. Okay. Now we're gonna close this around like this. Okay.
And
Now we got it closed tight. Okay. Now check this out. Good. Now, Sophie, we gotta move this around like this. You see the liquid in there? We're gonna move the liquid around, and we're gonna spread it around everywhere, everywhere, until there's no more liquid. You see how the liquid is almost gone? It's spread out everywhere.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Now we got it. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Now we're gonna put this on top of here, and we're gonna close it. Look.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on.
Here. We're gonna watch it. Is the pressure building up? Can we squeeze it? Yeah, a big bottle. Okay.
That's it.
We're gonna do it to 40, okay?
1, 2,
There you go.
3,
We
4.
got it. You see there's nothing there?
Yeah.
Ta-da. No?
Get off.
Okay, got it. You see it? Can you squeeze it? Do you see any cloud in there?
No.
You don't see any cloud, but you see that there's still a little bit of liquid in there?
Uh-huh.
And it's under pressure right now, okay? And it's hotter in there. Now I'm going to open this, and this is gonna turn into clouds. You know how?
Uh-huh.
Look.
Then you
Okay, here, open it. You see the clouds? Look. You see it? Wow, that's not cool? Now look.
The ball is all white.
Yeah, it's all white from the clouds. Now we're gonna close it again, and we're gonna do it one more time. Okay?
Okay.
Here it goes.
1, 2, 3.
See, the clouds are gone. You ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no. There you go. All stop. Okay? Can you squeeze it now? See that?
I'm gonna squeeze it.
There you go. Let's open it. You see how it's cloudy?
Yeah, open.
Here you go. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna get more clouds.
And spin my hand.
You know what happens with that?
Uh-huh.
It's a pressure. The gas becomes under pressure. You like doing science with them?
Yeah.